Hi there, here's a quick video on how to access feedback on a Canvas quiz. You can go into grades, you can find the quiz that you've taken, you can see that you've got a 10 out of 12. You can click on that quiz and you can see each question and what you answered in the latest attempt. So you can see I got a 10 out of 12 on my grade, but it looks like this last attempt I only got a 4.7 out of 12. You can see which questions you answered and what you answered, and what the correct answers are for each question on that quiz. Now, if you want more details, or if you want to see what you received on each of your attempts, you can go into the Quizzes tab, you can click on that quiz, and you can see all the different attempts that you've taken. You can see how long you were in the quiz for, and what score you got on each attempt. It looks like this quiz has unlimited attempts. It looks like you've taken 4 so far. You can view all previous attempts, and it looks like this quiz is keeping the highest of all of your scores. It looks like you can take this quiz again if you would like. And here is how you view all of your different attempts. So let's say I want to view my 10 out of 12, my best attempt, attempt 2. I can click here, and then I can see what I answered for each of the questions and then the correct answer. Hopefully that helps.